What if I told you AI can read posters, analyze specs, and tell you the best laptop just from a picture? Nasa SM ako. Nalula ako sa dami ng options. Every shop may promo, may bundle, may best deal daw. So I took photos of 3 promo flyers, pati specs, presyo, lahat. Then I pasted the pictures into ChatGPT and told it, compare these photos based on price, portability, HDMI ports, and video editing capability. A few seconds later, boom! May table na! Score-based, ranked, detailed. Para ako may tech advisor on demand. But wait, there's more. 1 out of the 10 prices, mali. Muntik na akong mabudol. But I expected that. Kaya I verified everything, especially yung top 3 choices ko. Still, this saved me hours at nabili ko yung saktong laptop na kailangan ko. I'm Profia Bong de Ungria, and here, we don't just use AI, we make it work. So if you want more hacks like this, subscribe, like, share. Let's turn intelligence into action.